Everybody, today's video is gonna be a little bit different because yesterday we made a video that didn't actually work because I was out of space in my phone and it started dying and talking gibberish and whatever. So I took everything out, but I'm gonna show you anyway what came out of the kiln yesterday. So this is the little it's
giant.
Not that's
it's a
giant dwarf that Kochi made. Beautiful. This is somebody asked me to do a soap dish, so I made two. And as you can see, it got like a little belly, which I actually expected to happen. So I put like I call them biscuits here, so it doesn't fall all the way to the bottom. And it actually worked, I think.
Partially.
Partially. No, I wanted it to go down.
Oh,
I didn't
okay.
put it like so it's gonna be flat. I didn't want it to be flat.
This looks like
A cat.
a chameleon.
It's a cat. Yeah, I think it's beautiful.
Yeah,
I mean,
it is.
look at it.
Yeah.
If you put it like here, I mean, the wall is dirty because it's my studio, so everything here is dirty, but I don't care. Okay, this made one of my students. This is just under glaze, no glazing, no.
Is it a hat?
It's a planter.
A planter? Oh.
It's a planter, but she's gonna put the whole plant in it, not with the plastic. You know, she didn't want to make a hole, but I like it. I like this underglaze. Kochi made it. She can actually sit.
Yeah.
Okay, this is
Wow.
wow. I don't know if you watched my previous video that I made. I made this as a utensils dish. And it turned out to
without the upper part.
Without the upper part,
Yeah.
and it turned out to be too short. So I decided to make a separate extension, yeah. And I glazed it, and then I put it like one on top of the other, and I glazed it again, both of them, so it will stick. And it actually worked perfect. So, I mean, the glazing, this is like a third glaze. This is the third firing, so it looks different. But I think it turned out to be a good idea. These glades I got from work, and I like this one better.
Yeah.
Okay, this is beautiful. This is Iran made. I loved it.
Yes.
It's gorgeous. I mean, I like the size. It's beautiful. The glazing, beautiful brown. All right. Owl. Now I'm gonna put this owl next to this cup that Iran made. And I want you to notice, guys, that it's the same glazing. It's turquoise. And
Same clay?
Same glaze.
The same glaze and same clay as well?
Yeah.
So how come the shade is different?
It's a good question. Why don't we ask it? Maybe I didn't stir it right, or maybe, I don't know. But I thought I did, so. I mean, Ronit was afraid to, I mean, she doesn't like to dip, so I did it for her, but anyway. This is also new, and it's beautiful, yeah. I think I'm going to give it to my mom. I like it. That's a pebble. That's my fourth plate that I made. from a series of plates that I made. I was testing myself to see if I can make the same size, and this is the fourth one, and it turned out to be okay. I'm getting there. It's not easy, but I'm getting there. Okay, so this is the last one. It's a turtle, and I like this turtle. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
She had a wonderful idea. It's for her garden, and it's beautiful. So, this is it, guys.
It's alive.
It's alive. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.